So it's 10 days since I ordered my tent from China. And while I was taking the kids swimming this evening, I got a call from the courier asking where they could leave it because it's arrived a day early. So super excited to take a look. However, it's evening time. It's actually a bit wet outside as well. So I certainly can't go outside and put a tent up now. But I am going to just open the box and have a look and see if all the things I'm expecting are here. I have never had this kind of tent before, but I have watched videos of people assembling similar tents. So I think I know what I need to look for. It has arrived in a pretty standard box, same sort of packing as I've had with bell tents and accessories shipped from UK suppliers. It was a bit more battered. You can see on the edges here, it's come a bit further, but well packaged, and I'm not concerned that anything inside is going to be damaged. So let's see what is inside. So these feel like tent pegs. We'll have a look in a minute. Guy lines and a bag with all the poles in. The tent itself is in one bag. To be honest, I was expecting it to be split into two, one for the ground sheet, one for all the canvas bits. Unzipping the tent bag, and there's not a lot I can see from here. Is that, all we can see is the ground sheet. I have had a feel round and it's all in one roll, so I'm going to have to wait till I can get out in the garden. Guy ropes are nice and thick, and most importantly, I've got 12 of everything. I've got 12 of each type of peg and 12 of each type of guy rope. So we've got all the bits we need from that point of view. Okay, just opening the pole bag now, and you can see the centre pole is finished in great. It actually looks great. I've never seen that before, but it looks super smart, and is as good a quality as any I've had direct from the UK. And the same for the little plugs that go at either end. Because I've had standard bell tents before, I've never had side poles, but there are 12 of these, and these are going to support the sides of the dome style tent, and they are what allows it to have these higher sides. So super excited to see how it is when I can get it outside.